do we need first, Baker Mom?
Well, Baker Logan, we need 1 cup of milk that I forgot in the fridge.
I can help you, Baker Mom.
Well, thank you, Baker Logan.
Can I help you?
Yep, you want to hold that half cup?
For how long? We'll do it.
You put it over the bowl. Okay, this is a half cup, so we're going to need 2 of them to make 1 cup. Dump it. Great job, Baker Logan. And the last one, dump it.
Now what?
Now we need to find the cap. Here it is. Great job, Baker Logan.
Now what?
Now we need 1/3 cup
I can.
of sugar.
Sugar. I'll pour it. You hold.
Oh, that sounds like a really horrible idea, actually. Here, you hold. Here's to poor decisions.
Okay.
You lift it up a little bit more. Oh, perfect.
Now I can dump it.
Yep, you can dump it.
Now what else do we need, Baker Mom?
Well, Baker Logan, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
I can help you. Why
Hey,
don't you?
just little itty bitty, little dab. That looks about right.
Now what do we have to do, Baker Mom?
Well, Baker Logan, what are we making today?
Ice cream.
With what?
Snow.
We're making snow ice cream.
Yes, no.
Okay,
I can help you pour it.
here, I'm gonna put it in my hand, and you can put it in the thing. So take a little pinch of salt. You pinch it. There you go. Who knows how much a pinch is?
Alrighty.
Oh, you probably do. Okay, now we need about 8 cups of this snow. Thank goodness for a February snowstorm.
A snowstorm.
Okay.
I want.
You can.
Huh?
So we need 16 of these. That's 1. That's okay, you can just scoop it again. 2. 14. Oh, that's cool. 15. Last one. 16. Get some spoons. We can start mixing it up. And I mix and you put sprinkles in.
And we need all of them.
Ooh, let's show this. Look at the beautiful sprinkles. Good job, Baker Logan.
Well, no, they're not finished yet.
You can put some on top of this.
What? When can we eat it?
Right now.
Okay.
Let us know how it is. How does it taste? Questionable at best.
Yeah. It's tasted like salad.
That sounds
Or
like
not
not how it's supposed to
salad.
taste, but
It tastes.
good try.
It does taste like. Cause I can't really get to eat snow.
Can I try some, please?
Mm.
Tastes like vanilla snow.
Vanilla snow?
Not bad. Good job, Baker Logan. High five. Don't leave me hanging. High five. Good job.